When you were a child, you didn't know how the world worked. You didn't know how to walk, how to speak, or how to take care of yourself. But someone was always there, your parents. They stayed awake when you were sick. They sacrificed their comfort for your needs. They worried about your future, like even before you understood what future meant. They gave you their time, their energy, their patience, even when they were tired, even when life was difficult. They showed up every single day. Not because it was easy, but because you mattered. But something changes as we grow older. We become busy, busy with work, busy with friends, busy building our own lives. And slowly, without realizing it, we start giving less time to the people who gave us everything. We stop asking how their day was. We stop sitting with them. We stop noticing the small things, their silence, their tired eyes, their quiet presence. And the painful truth is this: the same parents who once waited for you to say your first words now wait for a simple phone call, a simple conversation, a few minutes of your time. Time changes everything. The people who once protected you that slowly grow older. Their strength fades. Their energy decreases, but their love remains the same. Sometimes we assume they will always be there, that we can talk to them later, visit them later, spend time with them later. But life doesn't wait, and one day, later becomes too late. Regret is a heavy feeling, and one of the most common regrets people carry is this: I wish I spent more time with my parents. Not more money, not more success, just more time. It doesn't take much: a conversation, a visit, a moment of attention. Sometimes that's all they want, not because they need something from you, but because they love you. The truth is simple: the people you ignore today are the same people who once made you their entire world. So before life gets even busier, before time moves even faster, pause for a moment, call them, sit with them, listen to them. Because one day those moments will become memories, and memories are all that remain. Don't wait for regret to remind you what truly matters. Value them while you still can, because their presence is something you can never replace. Think deeper, know more,